Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I just read the question that I'm about to give you guys, and I like it. My heart just went, woohoo! What is the hardest ALJ question and why? What is the hardest ALJ question and why? Oh, that's so good. It feels so good on my insides. There's so many questions. I would say the trick questions are probably the hardest, but realistically, the question you guys always screw up. I mean, you flub it. You flub it with style, you flub it with no style, you flub it. The question is simple. It's the medication category question. What are your medications? What are they used for? How do you take them? How much of them do you take? You know, like milligrams, yada, yada, yada. And what are your medication side effects? You guys suck at this question. You guys so suck at this question. It's like ridiculous. And I don't know what it is. I don't know why, like, and me too. Like when I'm taking a medication, I'm like, I think it's like this one, you know, because some of them have like really odd names and you're trying some prototype whatever to get rid of some weird cold or whatever, and it's some pathetic name they came up with and had to use as part of some government program that allowed it. I get it. I get it. Most of the medications I've memorized at this point because I have to know, you know, what they are, what's, you know, around about the normal amount of, you know, the milligrams that you should be taking, because if you're taking it super high or super low, that matters too. But I get it. Sometimes these medications, it's like, what were they thinking with like omeprazole, you know? What were they thinking with that, you know? Which was like 5 medications just put together. You guys are terrible at that. If the judge doesn't ask that question, your attorney damn well better. He better. Or she better, let's be fair. You know, that's kind of the bottom line, is that you should be really good, excellent with that question, because that is a question that pops up. It's a question that's really relevant, and it's a question that you need to have on there. Because remember, your disabilities have symptoms, right? You can't walk well, you can't do this well, you can't blah, 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 blah. Your medications have symptoms, right? Side effects. I can't go in the sun, I get dry eyes, dry mouth, blah, blah, blah. It makes me groggy, it makes me tired, blah, blah, blah. Your ambulatory devices or your impairment devices, whether it's a walker, wheelchair, cane, you know, it's special shoes, special glasses, special hearing aid, cochlear implants, whatever. Your devices have symptoms as well, right? Because, you know, if you've got, you know, hearing aids, like you can't be around something that's going to make a certain tone because it's going to make them make a super loud noise, and then you get all freaked out and you're like, I get it. I get it. So with that said, I get it. It's tough, blah, 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 but you need to know what your medications are. You got to know what the names are. I have a really tough time with memory. Make a list, put it in front of you at the hearing. If the judge tells you to put it away, put it away. But if the judge doesn't, reference it. Don't be an idiot and go, oh, I'm going to read this. I'm going to read this all right here. I'm just going to doopy-doopy-doo. Don't be that person. Reference it. Have a general idea, right? I have memory issues. Cool. Here's your little, you know, saving life, you know, saver yada yada spiel. It's your little cheat sheet. Okay, nobody is really going to say it's horrible that you can't remember your We actually want to know what your current medications are, because the medical, it might not be like you might have just had your medications swapped out like a day, you know, before the hearing. We don't know, right? Because we know what they were from the last moment the medical evidence came in from a particular facility where you're taking, but that facility might not even know all your medications. They might know, well, we prescribe these, but then your other 3 facilities prescribe these, and we don't know what you're currently on when we get to that hearing. That's why we want to know. We want to know, okay, what currently are you on, so that we better understand where you're medically standing as to what the medical doctor is trying to achieve with your ultimate treatment as part of the diagnostic impression review. Okay. I know I talk too fast. It's because my brain works faster than that, and while I'm trying to slow myself down and do this kind of speech, it's like I'm doing a play. It's like, oh, Othello, you know, or whatever. It's just one everybody talks about. Anyway, let's go ahead and talk about the next question I'm going to be doing after this are what are the top 5 hardest disability judge questions. So I'm going to be doing now the top 5 after this one. So click around, see if you find that one. If you can't, it's because probably YouTube blocked me for me being a human being about this stuff. I don't know. You can make it whatever. If you can't find it, just try and go on with my general yada yada area, the YouTube dashboard. If you can see my dashboard, I'm not even sure how it all works. I just upload a lot of times and have more videos than everybody else that does this. So, anyways, Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you have a unique question that you want answered, if you have a video you want me to make, a custom video, if you want free consultation, that's fine. Shoot me an email, give me a call, yada yada. We'll go from there. All right. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.